Hello students, today we solve some examples in the chapter differentiation. Differentiate the following with respect to x. First one is log of tan x by 2 sin square x square minus cos square x square, and another three examples. First we solve first example, that is log of tan x by 2. Log of tan x by 2. We have to differentiate this function with respect to x. We let y equal to log tan x by 2. आपण त्याला नाव दिलं log of tan x by 2. Then we differentiate it with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x. आपलं फंक्शन काय आहे? y equal to log of tan x by 2. म्हणजे दोन फंक्शन आहेत, एक tan आहे आणि एक log. म्हणजे log tan ला अप्लाय केलं म्हणजे फंक्शनचा टाइप आहे composite function. This is a composite function and we have to use chain rule to solve this function. Differentiating with respect to x gives us dy by dx equal to, what is formula of derivative of log x? 1 upon x. So derivative of log of tan x by 2 is 1 upon tan x by 2. 1 upon tan x by 2 into d by dx of, here in place of x, what is here? Tan x by 2. Therefore d by dx of tan x by 2. जर इथे x असेल फक्त log x असेल तर फॉर्म्युला काय? 1 upon x. परंतु x च्या जागी काय? tan of x by 2 म्हणजे log of tan of x by 2. म्हणून मी तो फॉर्म्युला वापरणार 1 upon tan x by 2 into derivative of tan x by 2. So is equal to 1 upon tan x by 2. Derivative of tan derivative of tan is 6 square x. Therefore derivative of tan x by 2 is 6 square x by 2. Again d by dx of into d by dx of x by 2. It's a chain rule. म्हणजे आता इथं पण मला फॉर्म्युला वापरला tan x चा. tan x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आहे 6 स्क्वेअर x. परंतु x च्या जागी कोण आहे? x by 2. म्हणजे x च्या जागी जर दुसरं कोणी आलं तर फॉर्म्युला x साठी जो आहे तोच वापरायचा, परंतु into d by dx ऑफ त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह. सो दिस इक्वल टू 1 upon tan x by 2 into 6 square x by 2 into d by dx of x by 2. It is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Then our answer becomes dy by dx equal to, what we get? 6 square x by 2 upon 2 times tan x by 2. This is the answer of first example. Now second one is let त्याला नाव देतो मी y equal to sin square x square minus cos square x square. Then differentiating with respect to x. त्या फंक्शनला with respect to x derivative find करायचं आपल्याला. First here this is not a sin x, it is a sin square x. So here is index. So here we have to use formula of x raised to n. What is formula of d by dx of x raised to n is n x raised to n minus 1. Then I am using first this formula. So dy by dx is equal to, what is index here? 2. Then 2 into sin x square into d by dx ऑफ, फॉर्म्युला वापरला आपण x raised to n चा, पण इथे x आहे नाही, इथे sin नाही, म्हणजे परत d by dx ऑफ जे फंक्शन आहे ते sin x square minus similarly here 2 times cos x square into d by dx of काय नाही तर मग cos x square. So this equal to 2 into sin x square derivative of sine x square. What is formula of derivative of sine x? Cos. So sine x square च derivative cos x square परत into dy dx of x square. So sine x square into cos x square into dy dx of x square. Similarly, minus 2 times cos x square into dy dx of cos x square. What's the derivative? Minus sign. So here minus sine x square into dy dx of this x square. So our answer becomes 2 times sine x square cos x square, sine x square cos x square into dy dx of x square, which is a 2x. Then this minus into minus plus 2 times cos x square sin x square into dy dx of here also dy dx of x square is a 2x. Then what do we get? This 2 into 2 4x sin x square cos x square plus this 2 into this 2, sorry, this 2 into this 2 is 4x again sin x square cos x square. These two are like terms, then we add this 2 4x and this 4 times, so we get 8 times x sin x square cos x square. This is the derivative of this function. दुसऱ्याचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह मिळालं आपल्याला 8x sin x square cos x square. आता तिसरं फंक्शन आहे आपलं cot. थर्ड एक्झाम्पल इज y इक्वल टू, त्याला नाव देतो मी y, cot log x upon 2 minus log cot x upon 2. Differentiating with respect to x. Therefore, dy by dx equal to, what is formula of cot? Derivative of cot, derivative of tan is sec square. Derivative of cot is minus cosec square. So here is minus cosec square log x upon 2, but into again into dy dx of log x upon 2 minus here dy dx of log x 1 upon x. So dy dx of log of cot x by 2 is 1 upon cot x upon 2 into dy dx of cot x upon 2. So we get, what do we get? Dy by dx equal to minus cosec square log x upon 2 into 1 by 2 I am taking common outside, and dy by dx of log x is 1 upon x minus this 1 upon cot x by 2. When we convert this into numerator, we get 2 upon cot x. 2 upon cot x. This 1 by 2 is a constant, we taken out 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, and dy by dx of cot x here also minus cosec square x. This 2 and this 2 get cancelled. Then what do we get? Minus cosec square log x upon 2 divided by 2x minus this minus into minus plus cosec square x upon cot x. So our answer is derivative of cot log x by 2 minus log cot x by 2 is minus cosec square log x by 2 upon 2x plus cosec square x upon cot x. Then we solve fourth example. These all examples in our exercise 1.1. Fourth example is y equal to, what is the example? 1 plus sin x degree, here x is in degree, upon 1 minus sin x degree. This is a ratio of these two functions, 1 plus sin x degree upon 1 minus sin x degree. And we know formula for this type of examples. For d by d, what is formula? D by dx of u upon v. What is this formula? V into du by dx minus u into dv by dx upon v square. This is the u upon v rule, or d by dx of u upon v. This kind of examples solving using this formula. So we solve this example. Differentiating with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to, what do we get using formula? 1 minus sin x degree, 1 plus sin x degree x degree into d by dx of 1 minus sin x degree. What do we get? 1 minus sin x degree minus d by dx of 1 plus sin x degree, 1 plus sin x degree divided x of 1 minus sin x degree upon 1 minus sin x degree bracket square equal to 1 minus sin x degree into d by dx of 1 plus. For differentiating, we must convert this degree into radians. So we know formula, sin pi x upon 180. We have to multiply it by pi by 180. So this will be converted into radians. Minus 1 plus sin x degree into d by dx of, for this, 1 minus sin pi x into 180. This sin x degree must be converted into radian. So here in place of sin x degree I am writing sin pi x upon 180 divided by 1 minus sin x degree bracket square. Then Then 1 minus sin x degree, 1 minus sin x degree d by dx of this derivative of 1 is 0 plus derivative of sine is cos. So cos, directly I am writing derivatives, 0 plus, so cos, I am directly writing cos pi x upon 180 degree, not to write this, pi x upon 180 into d by dx of this pi x upon 180 into d by dx of pi x upon 180 minus 1 plus sin x degree, 1 plus sin x degree into derivative of this one is 0, so minus cos pi x upon 180, and derivative of pi x upon 180 is pi by 180. divided by 1 minus sine x degree bracket square. So this is equal to 1 minus sine x degree. Derivative of this pi x by 180 is pi by 180. So cos pi x upon 180 into 1 pi by 180. This minus into minus plus 1 plus sine x degree into cos pi x upon 180 into pi by 180 divided by 1 minus sine x degree bracket square. I am taking these two terms common, so I get pi by 180 cos pi x upon 180 in bracket. What is image? 1 minus sin x degree plus 1 plus sin x degree divided by these two terms taken out. So in bracket 1 minus sin x plus 1 plus sin x divided by 1 minus sin x degree bracket square. So this is equal to pi by 180 cos pi x upon 180 into sin, this side minus and plus two terms cancel, and 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 upon 1 minus sin x degree bracket square. So my final answer is, what is my answer is, we divide this 180 by 2, so pi by 90, this is equal to dy by dx equal to pi by 90 into cos pi x upon 180 divided by 1 minus sin x degree bracket square. This is a derivative of our fourth function. Now we solve last example, fifth. Fifth example is 25 log sec x to the base 5 minus 16 log tan x to the base 4. I am giving limit, let y equal to, and also write 25 as 5 square log sec x to the base 5 minus, right, I am also writing 16 as 4 square log tan x to the base 4. What I have done here, my function is 25 raised to log sec x to the base 5 minus 16 raised to log tan x to the base 5. This is index, this is base. And my first step, I am also naming it as y. Also writing this 25 as 5 square and also writing 16 as 4 square. Then this is these two index. I am here using property x raised to m raised to n equal to x raised to mn. Using this property of indices here, I am getting what I get, y equal to 5 raised to 2 log sec x to the base 5 minus 4 raised to 2 times log tan x to the base 4 to the base. So y equal to 5 raised to, using rules of indices, this 2 becomes power of sec x. So it becomes log to the base 5 sec square x. This 2 becomes in power of sec x. Same here, minus 4 raised to log tan square x. This 2 becomes power of tan square x to the base 4. So this example becomes like this. Here also we know one rules of index. What is, if 5 raised to log something and to the base 5, this here this and this get cancelled. So I am simply remains y equal to sec square x. मला काय म्हणतं फक्त इथं sec square x हा log to the base 5 आणि हा त्याचा इंडेक्स एकमेकांना कॅन्सल होतात. हा लॉगरिथमचा एक नियम आहे. मायनस इथे 4 raised to log to the base 4 हे सुद्धा एकमेकाला काय होणार आहे, कॅन्सल. म्हणजे काय राहील फक्त मायनस tan square x. म्हणजे आपल्याला काय मिळालं आता y बरोबर sec square x मायनस tan square x. म्हणजे हे गणिताच आपण सिम्प्लिफाईड फॉर्म काय मिळाला, y इक्वल टू sec square x मायनस tan square x. आणि त्याची किंमत काय असते, y इक्वल टू 1. हे जे sec square x मायनस tan square x त्याची किंमत किती आहे, 1 आहे. म्हणजे y बरोबर किती मिळालं आपल्याला, 1. आणि त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह हा y इक्वल टू 1 काय आहे, इट इज अ कॉन्स्टंट. सो डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ कॉन्स्टंट इज अ 0. So dy by dx is equal to 0. So here derivative of this function is equal to 0. So here we solve 5 examples in exercise 1.1. You students try to solve remaining examples at your home.